In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can operate Voice Recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and click on Allow in all available pop-ups. Now click on this red button at the bottom right corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, click this red button. Then choose Add Location or No Thanks in the pop-up. If you want to add a title, click on Add Title at the top and type in whatever you want to. If you want to delete your recording right away, hit delete here. If you want to end it and save it, hit save on the right. Now to listen to it, click on it. If you want to manage it, use this icon at the bottom left corner or all of those options at the top right one. And to get rid of it, you can always hold it and hit delete at the top right corner as well. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!